Ever wondered how Netflix always recommends your favorite shows? Or how Gmail filters spam perfectly? Or how your phone unlocks just by looking at your face? That's not magic, that's machine learning. And today, we'll explore how machines actually learn, just like humans, but faster. What is machine learning? Machine learning, or ML, is a subset of artificial intelligence. It gives computers the ability to learn from data and improve over time, without being explicitly programmed for every task. Instead of giving a machine fixed instructions, we give it data, and the machine figures out patterns, decisions, or predictions on its own. Think of it like this. Traditional programming equal rules plus data, output. Machine learning equal data plus output, rules. It's like teaching a child. You show examples, give feedback, and over time, they get better at understanding the world. Real-world machine learning examples. Here are a few things powered by machine learning that you probably use every day. Netflix recommending your next binge. Gmail filtering spam emails. YouTube suggesting videos you might enjoy. Google Maps predicting traffic conditions. Self-driving cars detecting pedestrians and road signs. Machine learning is all around you, quietly, constantly improving your life. The 3 types of machine learning. Let's break down the 3 main types of machine learning. In simple terms. 1. Supervised learning. This is like learning with a teacher. You give the machine labeled data, input and correct output, and it learns from examples. Example. You show an AI 10,000 photos of cats and dogs, each labeled. It learns the difference and can classify new photos. Other uses: spam detection, email categorization, predicting house prices. 2. Unsupervised learning. This is like learning without a teacher, just figuring things out from raw data. You give the machine unlabeled data and it finds patterns or groups. Example. An AI receives thousands of shopping histories and automatically discovers groups of people with similar buying habits. Other uses: market segmentation, anomaly detection, fraud detection, customer clustering. 3. Reinforcement learning. This is like learning through trial and error. Just like how we learn to ride a bicycle. The machine takes an action, gets a reward or punishment, and learns from it. Example. A robot learns to walk by trying, failing, adjusting, and trying again. Other uses: game-playing AI, like Alph Go, autonomous vehicles, recommendation engines. Simple use cases. You'll instantly get spam filter. Learns what spam looks like by analyzing thousands of flagged emails. Voice assistants. Learn accents and commands from user input. E-commerce sites. Recommend products based on what others with similar taste bought. All of this happens not through hard coding, but through learning from data. Why machine learning matters. ML is the engine of modern AI, powering tools that are revolutionizing healthcare, education, finance, and entertainment. Companies like Google, Amazon, Facebook, and Tesla run on ML at their core. From detecting diseases early to predicting climate change patterns, ML is being used for good, at scale. And the best part? ML is not just for scientists anymore. With tools like Teachable Machine, Google Collab, and GPT APIs, anyone can start learning and building with it. What's coming next in this series, now that you know what machine learning is and how it works? In the next modules, we'll go deeper into neural networks, how machines mimic the brain, deep learning, why it's called deep, and even build a mini machine learning model from scratch, without code. Hit that like button if you finally understand how Netflix knows you so well. Subscribe to Future Mind AI Trends, follow this full AI beginner course, and let's unlock the power of machine learning together. Comment below, which ML example surprised you the most?